Okay, we were discussing that what is PET, and then we discussed the different graphs under the headings of the PET. Some were belongs to the elastic, then inelastic, then unit elastic demand, and then elastic demand, then perfectly elastic demand. What was the price elasticity of demand? The price, it was a response of the demand according to the change in the particular price of the product. Now we have to discuss that what is the relationship between total revenue and the PET. Okay, price and the total revenue have a negative relationships when demand is elastic. Let's see what does it mean. The diagram is in front of you. If you see elasticity, change in the price, which is known as P, then we have change in quantity demand. Okay, and then change in TR mean change in total revenue. Okay, and the relationship between P and the TR, we will see that what does it mean. If you see the example, the first one is in inelastic, increased by 20%. The price is increased by how much? 20%. If you see that if the price of the product is increased by 20%, you will see the demand of that particular price is decreased by 10%. The 20% price is increasing, 10% demand is decreasing. What will be the impact on the total revenue? The total revenue is still increasing by 10%. Here the price is 20% increase, here the demand is 10% decrease. Okay, now you still see that 10% the producer or the seller is earning. Are you getting my point? So the relationship between the price and the total revenue, it has a direct relationships. This is something you have to remember because you will get the same questions in your MCQs paper. The next thing is in elastic. In elastic, when the price is increased by 20%, the demand is decreased by the 40%. Now you will feel that you are just increasing 20% and you will reduce the demand by 40%. Now what has an impact? It has a decrease impact. Okay, your revenue will be decreased. So it has a inverse relationships. What is the other things? Just unit elastic. The unit elastic, if you remember that we said, if increase particular ratio on the particular price of the product, same ratio of the demand will be changed, or you can say will be down. Okay, that was basically unit elastic. So unit elastic said if price of the product is increased by 20%, the demand would be decreased by 20%. So if you remember, we said we don't have a practical example of that particular product or the particular scenario, so there would be no change on the total revenue. Okay, so there is a no relationship you can say between P and the TR. This is